In this video, I'll show you how to add an ebook on Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the left-hand side. And from here, you want to simply click on Products and Services. Now, under Products and Services, you want to click on Products. And once you are on the Products section, simply head over to the top bar and on the right corner, click on Add Product. Now, once you do that, you'll be asked what it is that you want to sell. You want to head over to the bottom and click on Download. Now, in here, you'll be taken to the page where you can start adding the details of your ebook. So on the details section, this is where you can add a product name. We can name this into however we want it to be or the exact ebook in which you were selling. Now, on the description, this is where you can add a description of your book. You can also customize the text as well as add a link if that is something that you want to do. On the button text, this is where you can set your button text. You can say add to cart or even say a checkout. Now at the bottom, this will be the additional info. If you click on the arrow going to the right, in here you can add or put additional info within your product page whenever the product is selected or clicked. In here you can add a longer description, a video, or other related content. Let's say you want to add more elements within the additional info. What you want to do is simply hover your mouse on the description and either at the top or the bottom, click on the plus sign. Now, once you do that on the right hand side, this is where you can add the blocks in which you want to add within your additional info. Now, let's say you want to add a spacer, so just simply hold and then it will automatically be added within the additional info. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and right corner and click on apply. Now, if you scroll down, you will have the form section. If you click on create new form, this is where you can add your form name. This could either be for a checkout or other additional details, and you can even collapse the fields in order for you to see all of the form fields which are in this form. Now, on the right hand side of each and every form, you can set this field as required. And if you want to add another field, simply head over to the bottom and click on the plus sign. And from here, you can add an additional field if that is something that you want to do. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on apply. Now, if you scroll down even more, we have the images section. Now, on the images section, this is where you can add an image for your product. To add an image, what you want to do is simply head over to the images section and down below, click on the plus sign. And from here, you can either upload a file or select from your library. Let's say we want to upload a file since we have our file. Now, as you can see, once the picture has been added, it will automatically be set as a thumbnail. Now, if you have multiple photos, what you can do is simply hold and drag in order for you to change the order. And at the bottom, you can set which is the thumbnail. Now, on the three dots for more actions on the images, you can even edit the image as well as edit the metadata. Now, if we scroll down, this is where you can add your ebook. Now, if you click on the upload file button, it will open your files where you can start adding either the PDF or the ebook. And once that's done, as you can see, it will automatically show. Now on the price section, on the right hand side, we can set a specific price for this product. And if you want it to be on sale, you can even do that by simply heading over to on sale. And if you click to toggle this on, you can set a sale price. Now, if you scroll down even more, this is where we can add categories, tags, as well as product-specific tax code. Now, if you scroll down even more, you can even add this product as a featured product. And if you scroll down even more on the marketing section, you can change the SEO and URL, as well as the social share. And once you're done, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply hover on Save. Now, when you hover on save, you will have three options. It's either you want to publish your ebook, save it as hidden, or schedule to be published. If you want to publish it now, then just simply click on publish. And once you have successfully clicked on publish, it will automatically take you to the products page. And in order for you to see your ebook, you want to head over to the top bar, which is below products. And from here, you just want to simply click on downloads. Once you do that, as you can see, you will automatically see your ebook. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.